Moving on to other stories, the Jubilant Generics, the company in Karnataka's Nanjangud, which is in Mysuru, which was shut due to COVID-19, will resume operations soon as per the guidelines by the Indian Council for Medical Research. The state government has accorded clearance for the operations.
It was branded Mysuru's super spreader. Pharma company Jubilant Generics was in the eye of a storm after 76 of its employees mysteriously tested positive for COVID-19. All cases linked to an employee identified as patient 52. And now, months on, the company's all set to reopen after a state government nod. After stringent testing, treatment and isolation, all infected employees have recovered from COVID-19. Sources in the company say that it is following all government directives.
Jubilant ಕಾರ್ಖಾನೆ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬೇಡ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಂಥ ವಿಚಾರ. ನನಗಿರೋ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟು ICMRಗೆ ಬರೆದಿತ್ತು ಮತ್ತು ಫಾರ್ಮಸ್ಯೂಟಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಬರೆದಿತ್ತು. ICMR ಕೆಲವು ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇವರು ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕೊರೋನಾ ವೈರಸ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಶೋಧನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರ ಬಂದು ನನಗೆ ಖಚಿತ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇರೋದರಿಂದ ಕೆಲವು ನಿರ್ಬಂಧಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆಗಳು ಇದೆ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Even Nanjangud MLA Harshvardhan, who initially wanted a probe against the company, has changed his stance.
See, the CBI probe that the former MP Dhruv Narayanji is demanding, I think it is totally baseless. There are certain parameters which you take to demand the CBI probe into this. And I don't think it is not only feasible, but I don't think it is possible at this point of a junction also.
But local Congress leaders accuse the company of adopting unfair means to get permission to reopen.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದ್ರಿ ಅವತ್ತು ಪತ್ರಿಕಾಗೋಷ್ಠಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 50,000 ಕಿಟ್ ಮತ್ತು 10 ಗ್ರಾಮಗಳನ್ನ ದತ್ತು ತಗೊಂಡದಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಎ ಬ್ರೈಬ್, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕಿಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂದಿದ್ದು ನಾನು.
But the much maligned company is now on a new high. Its parent, Jubilant Life Sciences, has tied up with the US drug firm Gilead to make and sell Remdesivir, a possible frontline drug to fight the coronavirus.
From a super spreader to a manufacturer of medicines for coronavirus, this company has indeed come a long way. However, with the government-led investigation coming out with no details as such, there is a demand for the CBI to look into this to find out how exactly did patient 52 become infected after all. With video journalist Madhuar, Nolan Pinto for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.